Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. It's just me and the Bella today. Say hey Bella. Say hey. Hey blackfitgardeners. Anyway, we are outside today about to plant some sweet potatoes. Last year we had a great sweet potato harvest. We had planted the sweet potatoes in the garden bed, one of the garden beds back there. We did it last year and the harvest was great. So this year we're going to do them in, hold on, I got the bags all in her face. We're going to be putting them in 10-gallon bags, and you can get these bags right off of Amazon. BN Link is the brand of the bags. And this is my first time trying them in grow bags, so we're going to see how that goes. And I'm going to put, because we have 6 sweet potatoes, so I'm going to put 3 in one grow bag. And then I'm going to put 3 more in this bucket over here. So I think that's also a 10-gallon pound. Here's Rollo. He wants to say hey so bad. Rollo, now you want to act like he wasn't all in the camera. But anyway, 10-gallon container that we're going to do the other 3 sweet potatoes, and I have them sitting here. They've been sitting here for weeks just waiting to be planted, so we're gonna go ahead and get started and get those in the garden. Okay, yeah, I'm using the dirt from our previous composting video where we showed you that we had dirt that has been just sitting in this compost for almost a year, and we got some pretty good dirt from it. So I'm using the majority of that because, to be honest, that's all the dirt we have in the yard. So I don't really have a choice. And I'm going to fill the bags up and the pot up over here. And then when Bay gets home, I'm going to have him move the container and the grow bag back to that side for me, because obviously I can't move those while I have Bella on me. It's really hard. So we'll just have him do us this little favor. I don't even know if we have enough to fill up this whole thing to even do it. We'll see. Because to be honest, we're starting to use up everything we got. I might have to find something else with some fillers. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to, because I usually do this anyway, I'm going to scrape up some of the leaves from under this tree to kind of fill it in. Because I don't want to use all our good dirt. It is so hard to shovel with a baby attached to you. So don't talk about me shoveling, y'all. I know I look crazy. But the mama needs to get outside so she can get some air. She is now crawling, y'all, like, well, she's been crawling for some months, but she is crawling and getting into everything she do not need to be getting into. And we just now, like a week ago, came up with the smart idea that we need a playpen for her so we don't have to keep moving her and stopping her from going into things she shouldn't be going into. And it's arriving today. So excited, y'all, because I'm telling you, chasing a baby around all day is a part-time job.
Okay, so both pots are full with the dirt / leaf compost mix from under the tree. So now I'm just gonna put three plants in one pot and 3 plants in another pot, and we'll see how that works. Okay, y'all, finished product. Grow bag 1, and then container 2. I think they look pretty good. They're so cute. And again, we'll just have May come move these for us later. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my water jug and water these really quick. Yeah, girl, we gotta water them too. I know. Water these really quick so they don't dry out here because it's hot. All right, y'all, we got the sweet potatoes all planted. Again, 1 in a grow bag and 1 in a container. We still have 3 of these grow bags left. So, sorry, I was a bug on me. 3 of these grow bags left. So what we're going to do is we are going to send 1 grow bag to 3 people for free. So all we want you to do is place a comment in the comment box section of this video and tell us basically what is your success story with growing in grow bags. The first time I ever tried, I did not do well. So I didn't try again until this year. So we're going to see what happens. And I just want to know what you've grown in the grow bag. How did it turn out? Or if you have never grown anything in a grow bag and you want to receive one, what are you going to plant in your grow bag and how are you going to do it? So just leave a comment below, let us know, and we'll send you out a grow bag. Thank you for watching, guys. We will see you later. Say bye, baby. Say bye, baby. Bye. Bye, guys.